Can't see none out of these damn goggles, I tell you what. I'm stepping over here. I don't want to get swung with mud. Let's go, boy. Crossroads round 1.
10 seconds.
That's Ben's girlfriend's brother. I got the whole shot. This course is gonna be ass. But we appreciate Crossroads putting us out here, man. Come on. I need a place to pass these kids. Straight eating mud. Mud. Love this kid, man. Woo. He just starts spraying me. Appreciate that kid telling me to slow down. Ben! Hey, Ben! Damn, that thing is like sunk. Oh, dude, this dude's floor is like about to blow up. Good job, buddy! Good job, good job! I don't know how much you guys are gonna be able to see this race. I'm sorry, but it's like a mud bath, man. I hit that so poorly. Still crawled through it somehow, though. Hey, Ben! What's up, buddy? Shot that. I don't remember my number. I'm 170 something. Thank you. I'm beat. No. Thanks, buddy. Thank you! I call him Dad. I'm funny. Back in this shit again. can't shift without my clutch for some reason. That's mad annoying. Dude. That is straight jam me into that tree. Helmet's so fucking heavy, dude. Holy shit. I can't see out of my own fucking eyes, dude, let alone this camera probably. I have my goggles on. That was like a mistake, but a good one. Sorry, Dad. I need some more farm gloves. Fuck this guy. Work with me. He just cut the fuck out of that. What? I can't see shit. Those are my people. Oh, that bitch just grabbed my helmet. No. Go, baby. I can't wear this off. Where do you think you're gonna go, bro? Hey, buddy! Dude, I'm so sorry. You guys can't see a damn thing. And I can't wipe you off either because I'm so tired. That was the guy that was yelling at me to get out of his way. He can eat a dick. Sure, he's a great guy. I'm just saying. Like, there's nowhere for me to go, and he kept yelling. Oh, I'm tired, man. Thanks, guys. Sorry. Come on, for real? I love you! Oh, almost. Thanks, guys. Still got my phone. No music. Figured music was a bad idea for this race. Got so much mud on me. I feel like I'm 3,000 pounds.
What we got?
172. I can't see on my left eye. That way? What's that way? Where am I going?
He's not going between those trees. Stay to the left of them, you'll go right up it.
So go left, and then middle, and then left?
Yeah, stay right where he's gonna go. Go up left, right by them.
Oh man, homie got stuck again.
Wait second, he's worried.
I'm in first of my class. Hey, you're Ben's girlfriend's brother, right? Yeah. I'm trying. Thanks, guys. Woo! Woo! I should not have threw my glove. Guys, don't throw your gloves. Bad idea. Come on, buddy. He just cut the fuck out of that. I ain't gonna say his number, because that's fucked up. 238. But I'm just playing. He's ahead of me anyway. It don't matter. I'm just a dick like that. I'll remember my number. 172.
172.
37 minutes is elapsed. Or is that how much is left? Sorry. Thanks, buddy. Dude, I got so much mud in my chin, like inside my helmet. Oh man, what are we doing, bud? I cut through there. Oh! Hey!
Me with the Gucci shoes, bitch. I ain't really into that. Hotel room starting to look like a runway.
Sorry, buddy. What's this way? Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. There's fucking nowhere to go. Oh, man. Fuck. I want to go that way. You gotta help me if I get stuck. Fuck yeah. Woo. I'm just making everything worse. You ready? Alright, you help me lift the front? Woo. Yeah, I guess so. Hey!
You will make the videos online?
Yeah.
Hey, if you're going straight this way, don't stop. It's not going anywhere. If you do, make sure you get over it.
I'm trying to get over it.
Get right here, you make it. It's up quite a high.
Thanks, guys. The guy that makes the videos online. That's me. Thanks for noticing. Appreciate you. That female? Thank you. It's gonna be more like a commentary vlog or a race than visual for you guys. And I'm so sorry about that. But there's nothing I can do. Hey man, I'll tell you what, I'm pretty fucking tired. What's over here? Alright, thanks guys! Woo! Damn it, they're still racing. I thought it was over. Yo, there's some bad bottlenecks back there.
Bottleneck, where at?
Oh, dude, too many. They're way down there in the woods. Come on, baby. Thanks, Dad. I called him Dad, too. Dude, I don't want to throw this other glove, but I can't stay on the throttle.
Right through there, right beside you.
Hey, buddy! You help me real quick? Thanks, girl! Caitlin, Ben Buzzkirk's fucking girlfriend. Your brother's a hoe. He didn't help. Hey, I'm back again. Woo!
That's up.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
170.
I ain't gonna lie, I tried to pull a wheelie. Hey guys! I don't know them, but. Man! Pretty sure that son of a bitch lapped me twice already. Freaking 4x4 ass. That was completely my fault. I fucked that line up. Yeah, bud!
We need
To get back on track. You wanna lift it?
to try.
Alright.
How you want it?
Hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
I love you. Come in here. Let's just get this bitch over. Ah.
That's right, you get out of there now.
I hope so. Ben, your girlfriend's brother. I like him now. And his friend that was there helping. You guys are both real ones. God, dude. It's so muddy. Oh, man. I should have went that way. Should have said something. Oh! Shift. There we go. I can't use a clutch. My arm's dead. Dude, I need some new gloves. Is it over yet?
White flag.
trying it. I'm in first. White lap. You're in second. Damn! I'm stuck. I'm beat. You get hit in the face and shit, bro. Hey, remember all you people who said I need to wear tear-offs? You're 100% right. Oh, dude. That bitch slipped into neutral out of second gear. What a bitch. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Right, 172. Let's fucking go, bud. Side by side, still got a race. Good luck, buddy.
I think Cant tells that there's only 3 people that finished the lap last lap.
Bullshit.
There was only 5 of them.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah, 2 of them were 7-8.
I'm pissed. There's more than that. Now this doesn't even seem like a win.